Good morning, YouTube world. How y'all doing? I changed up my sunglasses for a new pair. Well, same Iron Man brand with the white strap. I get these at Walmart. People have asked me. I always get the same kind. This time I went with the blue shade tint on them. So it's, yeah, changing things up. Still in Florida. Hang on. What? I like quirky. I like quirky. Yeah, hey, Paul Bunyan needs to leave Minnesota and has to come down to Florida because there is a Paul Bunyan chair waiting here for you, buddy. About 40 feet tall. Oh, wait a minute. There's a hole in it. That might be where you put the Homer bucket and the plastic bag. Paul Bunyan, yeah. Weird. I don't know, guys. It's art. Aluminum. Yeah, very, very thin sheets of aluminum. That's pretty cool, though. Y'all didn't think I was really going to stay in Florida for the whole winter, did you? It's been okay. It has been, it's been fun. For sure, I can almost guarantee you that I won't be back to Florida for a few years. Probably, so get the most out of it. So north we go. North, Jax. Okay, I'll drive. You just relax, man. Don't hurt yourself. Okay. What do you mean? I don't understand. I don't speak cat. Does that mean you want to go outside? Does Jax want to go outside? All right, here we go. There you go, buddy. I don't know where we are exactly. A little day use park area with a noisy overpass. Come here, Jax. Come here. Why don't you eat some grass? Why don't you explore, man? Jax, hop up. There you go. Good job. What do you think? What do you think about things? Okay. Good job. They don't need to see that. They don't need to see that. Come on. What's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you, huh? You got no shame. You got no shame, man. You can take a minute and smell the flowers or the grass. That's like painted grass. No, don't chew on that painted grass. Jax, is life rough? Can we see your thumbs? Can we see your thumbs? Can you share? Can I have a thumb? Since you're not using that thumb, I need that thumb. That one right there. Can I have that one? Thanks. He's like, get off my dad. Oh, really? You running? Yeah? Kind of jogging? That's pretty good, man. Is there something over here? About as fast as Jax moves, really. I'm gonna give Jax some lunch, and I'm gonna grab some lunch also. Have a little chat with you here real quick. You know, there's always something to repair or fix in the RV, just like a home. My bathroom door. Did the whole RV bend? Like, it no longer clears the... Does that make any sense to you guys? Nothing wrong with the hinges. It would do me no good to replace the hinges. They are working fine. Nothing has changed. The door just is binding up. Weird, right? Now, when it comes to mechanical work on this RV, the ongoing joke is that everything I fix is going to come right back. It always does, unless I fix it a better way. You want to know how I'm going to fix this and it's not going to come back? With a frickin' planer. Yeah, let me see exactly where it's binding. This whole section right here. That's still catching a little bit. They got a little mess to clean up, but let's try it now. So I'm over here parked at Walmart just outside of Claremont here, and an RV pulled in from Quebec, Canada here. And as you can see, they've got my, dream bike after the Yamaha 200. This is the Suzuki Van 200, and it's a 280-pound bike. I can't do it because I have a 350-pound weight limit on the back of my RV. So a 100-pound steel carrier plus a 280-pound bike would put me at 380. But this RV actually has a 500-pound weight limit on the back, so that's why he can carry it on this steel carrier and still have a full-size motorcycle, well, 200cc. I've always liked this bike. I have test rode this bike. I guess this particular RV style, it's a small Class C, but like I said, you get 500 pounds on the back. So this is another option if you're looking for a bigger motorcycle than a 125 or something. You can have up to a 200cc on a 500-pound rated hitch. So pretty cool. I like it. And yeah, I know everybody hates it when I do tour videos. I don't do RV tour videos, but if I see something that looks interesting enough to share it with you, like the possibility that I may upgrade to a bigger motorcycle later, yeah, I might share that with you guys. Let me walk across the street here real quick and hopefully not get run over. This Walmart here in Claremont, Florida has some signs. I'll show you. It does say no overnight parking. See that? Yeah. But is that a definite no? Not always. I went to the store. I talked to the manager. I asked the manager. He said, basically, I don't want to get him in trouble, but he said basically we were forced to put those signs up by the city ordinances. You're fine for one night if you're gone in the morning. He said, I do my checks the next day when I come in. And if I ever see an RV trying to do 2 or more nights, we're going to have a problem. But I don't have a problem with people who spend one night here in their RV. Cool. That's kind of a bonus. So maybe don't always get your hopes down when you see that no RVs allowed overnight. Just go ask. Wouldn't hurt, right? We don't know why those signs are there, guys. So, something to think about. But in the meantime, I got some cleaning up I want to do inside the RV and some editing and work and stuff like that. So, the sun's probably going to set while I'm working. I'll get back to you when it's dark, I guess. Okay. You know, these Walmarts are kind of strange around the country for an RVer. A lot of people are not comfortable doing it overnight. It just doesn't make them feel comfortable. And I will admit, it took me some time to be able to feel confident, to feel like I'm going to be okay parking in a Walmart parking lot. But as it turns out, it's usually better than any of the paid campgrounds I've ever been to. Yeah, there's no amenities. There's no pool. There's no sauna or weight room. But nobody almost ever bothers me at night. It's usually pretty quiet, and there's no RVs next to me. And if they are next to me, I can literally just turn the key and move somewhere else. So I have grown to learn to like Walmarts a couple nights out of the week if I have to. And I'll just close the curtains and I don't even know what's outside. As far as I know, it's just my RV inside. There's no difference. Everything looks normal in here. I'm watching TV, I'm editing video. I can't even see what's going on outside unless I want to see. So it tends to work for me. It's just fine for a couple nights out of the week. I think anybody who has boondocked before in an urban area, lot docked like this, knows what to expect. Every once in a while you get some souped up Honda without a muffler that thinks they're cool. No, you're just loud. Or a diesel truck, you know, they gotta be and then slam on the brakes at the stop sign. It's like, what did that do exactly? Except waste a bunch of gas? I don't understand. It happens, people listening to music, people doing donuts. It's a free place to park, guys. You kind of just have to accept it for that. For me, it's okay for one night, usually. Usually I don't have too many problems. But you may be wondering what I'm doing back here in Claremont, Florida. This is the middle of Florida. This is not the coast. I have put off Tampa again. Like I said, being kicked out of places, it really just sours the whole mood. I mean, if you don't want RVs there, if you won't allow RVs to even park for a night, I'm not giving you a penny in your city, in your county. And I just didn't work this time. And that's my personal preference. I didn't have any resorts planned in Tampa. I had the one down in Fort Myers, and I have a different one coming. So that's what we're doing. Anyway, Jax and I will see you back on the road from somewhere in the middle of Florida here soon. Have a good night, guys. Bye-bye.